What's up guys, today I want to make a short video on my rig setup for my Canon R5. So I recently purchased my Canon R5 a couple of months ago, and it was supposed to be used as my B cam aside from my Blackmagic, but it's slowly turning into my A cam. So first thing first is the cage itself. So the cage is from a small rig. Alright, next is the 15mm rod and the base plate, also from small rig. I have my top handle here, also from small rig. Alright, so moving up to the monitor, I'm using the Atomos Ninja V. Alright, and then for audio, I'm using Rode shotgun mic, and I have the side handle, and it rotates whichever way you prefer, and it has a nice little grip to it. It has a rubber finish. Then moving up to front here, I have the mini matte box, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to show you guys what my R5 rig setup looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, and comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.